about integration of BMC with NetApp. That's the reason why we are here in front of BMC, in BMC booth talking to BMC customers, okay? Next slide please. Excellent, okay. So this is the kind of integration that is happening between BMC and NetApp. We have our provisioning manager product. So first of all, NetApp is a data and storage management company. So essentially we do the storage management. So a new application comes into picture, it needs to be provisioned. Storage needs to be provisioned. NetApp's provisioning manager provisions that storage. We are integrating with BMC, so from a BMC portal you will be able to provision a NetApp storage. That is one thing. We also have NetApp SandScreen product, and there is an integration with SandScreen and BMC. Plus, from a BMC management portal, you can do the secure multi-tenancy, you can manage the secure multi-tenancy. So those are the three broad dimensions in which there is an integration that is happening between NetApp and BMC. Now, can we move to the next slide, please? Okay. Okay, so now, so let this slide build up, okay? So let's imagine for a moment that you are an application administrator. If you are an application administrator, there are certain resources you need from your IT department. What are those resources? You need servers, you need storage, and you need network, and you also need network. So those are the kind of things you need from the IT department. What happens is, the application administrator guy, he speaks to three different folks, trying to get his resources from these three different folks. There is a lot of cross-domain communication that happens. He will call him, this guy will not be there, he must have gone for a cup of coffee or something like that. And there is a lot of efficiency that is introduced into the system because of this communication that happens. He says something, this guy doesn't get it, and go back and forth happens. Now the storage administrator, once this communication happens, the storage administrator then, he has to go through his line of thinking and his screen to figure out what kind of storage am I going to provide to this application administrator. So all these things, all these manual tasks, all these repetitive tasks, all these tasks that essentially eliminate error come into picture. Now this is a very it's a very manual interactions for each request and for each technology or for each domain. Next slide, next please. And really, I mean, is this the way an administrator would like to spend his time? Trying to just have a communication between these folks so that he will get what he needs. Instead of that, the new way of doing things is in the next slide, and the next slide. Go ahead, please. Next slide. Okay, so in the next slide what happens is, application administrator, instead of speaking to any of these guys, a service catalog is given in front of him. So think of a service catalog like a menu card. This guy is given a menu card, and then he just makes a selection whether he would like to have a gold level service or a silver level or a bronze level service. So the only decision he has to make is to select whether I want to go gold, silver or a bronze level. He makes a decision that I would like to go for a gold level service. The moment he says it's a gold level service, automatically the network, storage and everything gets provisioned according to the gold level. So the gold level, okay, everything is getting in the gold level. Now for the NetApp piece, we come into the picture for the storage level, and the moment he says gold level, we say okay, he needs some high-end storage, he needs to be backed up every hour or maybe every minute or whatever it is. We have put the intelligence into the gold level service level that he is looking for, and the moment he makes a gold level, the software tries to go through all these things, and gold level storage is provided to the application administrator. So just the way we are doing our stuff, the network guys are doing their stuff, and the server guys are doing their stuff. So if this guy wants virtual machines, then VMware's adapter will come into picture, and the VMware's orchestration thing will come into picture, and they will provide the virtual machine to this guy. So that's the way it kind of he gets whatever he needs without any interaction with any of those guys, without introducing any inefficiency into the system. But does that mean that the storage guy's job is completely redundant at this point in time? The answer is no. His job is not redundant, because he is the guy who is deciding what is a gold level policy. He decides what is a silver level policy. So think of it this way, that you go in front of any ATM machine, you get money from the ATM machine, you do some amount of self-service, right? I mean, you go there and you say, okay, I need $500, I need $300, you deposit your checks in the ATM machine. It's a self-service portal. But still, the bank is in control, because the bank is deciding that you can withdraw only $500 at a time. The bank is deciding that you can withdraw money not from his account but from your own account. So those are the policies that the bank is setting. Similarly, the storage guy is setting those policies, and this guy is essentially following those policies. Okay? The guy is still in control, but he has enabled self-service for the application administrator. Next slide, please. Okay, so this reduces capex, opex, it increases the agility, it eliminates all the errors. Okay, I think one more slide. Okay, so this is a very high-level diagram saying that okay, BMC has the BMC Atrium Orchestrator. They have come up with an adapter, and with this adapter, now the BMC Atrium Orchestrator is integrated with NetApp Provisioning Manager, and that's how from a BMC Atrium Orchestrator you can provision storage, a gold level, silver level, bronze level, whatever it is. There isn't, the customer need not go to a NetApp interface to get your storage. So if you are a BMC customer used to a BMC interface, you can now provision storage using a BMC interface without getting worried about the underlying plumbing as such. Okay, so this is how it happens. It extends the BMC's business service management to include NetApp storage management, and this is available now. This adapter is available right now. So it's not something that is coming in 6 months or 12 months or 3 months. No, it has been available for the last 3 months. And I think the last slide, please. So these are the advantages. NetApp storage management is integrated with the business BMC's business service management suite. It enabled end-to-end service management. By that we mean the application administrator can get the server, virtual server, storage, network and everything. End-to-end service management. It improves the operational efficiency because there is no inter-domain correspondence and communication that is happening. The guy goes there, he clicks and he gets his storage. Okay? Increases business flexibility. Now the guy can do more now because he has a lot of time on his hand. And yes, because of this partnership, we have improved the customer experience when they're using the BMC software. Okay? And now off to Jerry. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for listening to my presentation. There's a great, I think he's going to take it further from here. Okay? Go ahead.
Thanks a lot, Vyas. That was terrific. I hope that provided a good overview. We are going to collect your cards now, make sure they're